Hey there, little explorers. Have you ever heard of robots or computers helping animals? It may sound like something from a science fiction movie, but it's happening right now. In today's video, we're going on a wild and exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence and how it's becoming a superhero for nature and animals. Ready? Let's go. So, what is it? AI is a kind of smart computer that can learn, think, and even make decisions just like humans. Scientists and conservationists are using AI to help protect wildlife all around the world. AI can look at pictures from cameras in the forest to find out which animals are nearby. It can even tell the difference between a sneaky tiger and a sleepy deer. Isn't that cool? Let's imagine there are tiny cameras hidden in a jungle. These cameras take photos every time something moves. Instead of humans spending hours looking through thousands of photos, AI steps in and says, "Don't worry, I've got this." It quickly scans all the pictures and says, "That's an elephant, that's a monkey, and oh, that one's a rare leopard." This helps scientists understand which animals live in which areas and what they need to stay safe. AI is also helping animals who are in danger. For example, some people try to hurt rhinos and elephants for their horns and tusks. That's called poaching, and it's very bad. But AI is now being used to track these animals and warn rangers when something's not right. It's like giving the animals their own secret security team. AI is even helping with sound. Yes, just like your ears, computers can listen to. Special AI programs can hear the calls of whales, birds, or frogs in the wild and count how many are there. This way, we can protect them better and make sure their songs never disappear. Guess what? AI is also being used to plant trees and clean oceans. Robot drones fly over forests and drop seeds in the ground like magical gardeners. Some robots go underwater to collect plastic and help the fish swim free again. And here's the best part. When kids like you learn about these amazing technologies, you grow up to be the next generation of planet protectors. Maybe one day, you'll invent your own AI to help animals too. Isn't it exciting to know that technology and nature can be best friends? With the help of AI, we can make sure our furry, feathered, and fin friends are safe and happy for a long, long time. So keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop caring about our wonderful world. The future of conservation is bright, and it might just be waiting for you to help shape it.
Did you have fun? Let us know in the comments. And to keep the adventures coming, share the smiles and subscribe for more Kidco TV fun.